Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Then, to start recording, hit this red button. As you can see, after that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button at the bottom. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, after all that, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you want to rename it, go back, hold it, click on the rename option at the bottom, and type in wherever you wish to. Then tap on OK. In order to delete it, hold it as well. But this time choose Delete option at the bottom in the middle and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!